This video will go over how to export and import Analyte limits in FUDSChem's eQAPP setup tool, Analyte Limits tab. Go to Tools, Data eQAPP Setup. Go to the Analyte Limits tab and select an analysis method to edit. In this case, SW6010C aqueous matrix with micrograms per liter units. For information on how to update your Analyte limits by hand in the interface, please refer to our Analyte Limits tab tutorial video, linked in the description. However, if you have a test with many analytes, it can get tiresome to go through and update the limits for each one individually. Instead, you can export the analytes as a pre-formatted spreadsheet, update the numbers in the spreadsheet, and import it back into the system. You can also send this spreadsheet to the lab and have them fill in their limits, and then upload it into the system. To export the spreadsheet, click Export, Analyte Limits, Go. The system will display a warning that you cannot make any changes other than to the numbers in the LOQ, LOD, DL, and Project Quant Goal columns. If you remove or add analytes from this spreadsheet, there will be a mismatch and re-import will fail. Similarly, if you export this spreadsheet and then edit the analyte lists in the eQAPP setup tool, there will be a mismatch and re-import will fail. Open the CSV file. Note, all analytes for all methods for the project will be listed and can be edited here all at once. You can sort the rows and filter without affecting the re-import. For this demonstration, we will find the SW6010C method for iron and change the LOQ to 500 so it will be easy to see if the re-import worked. Normally, you would update all of the values before re-importing. Save the file as a CSV. It is important that it be saved in this format. In the eQAPP window, change the drop-down from Export to Import. Click Go and import the file. Select the SW6010C method again and verify that the LOQ for iron is set to 500. We can see the import worked. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.